Are you stumped on what to get the RV owner in your life? Well, today I'm going to go over 7 items, all under $100, and they range from something that's as simple as what's in this little box to a little more high-tech, almost spaceship-like, that's in this bag. So let's not waste any time. Let's get into the 7 great gifts under $100 that'd be perfect for the RV owner in your life. So the first gift, very simple. It's a box of fuses. Very inexpensive. You can find them for under 10 bucks. Every RV owner can use these. Now, fuses don't go out that often, but when they do, it becomes a real big pain if you don't have spares on hand. So that's why this makes it a great gift. Simple, cheap, however, very useful. Number 2 on my list is something I keep in my emergency roadside repair kit, and I use it just about every time I travel with my RV, and that is a tire repair kit. Now, I have several of these. It seems like every time I go on a road trip, I get a nail in my tire. It's nice to have this on board so you don't have to take your rig to a tire shop and you can just go into a parking lot, fix it yourself. It's a perfect small gift. It's probably right around $15. And let me tell you, the $15 is well worth it if they ever get that dreaded nail in the tire. Okay, number 3 on my list is these activated charcoal odor absorbers. Say that 10 times fast. We hang these around our RV in the bathroom, in the closets, and it helps to absorb some of that musty smell that sometimes occurs in these RVs, especially for us in the bathroom. It's a small space. After you shower, you hang your towels up and they start to get a little funk to them. These odor absorbers really help to clear up that smell that can occur. They're also great for somebody who doesn't stay in their RV year round. They close it up for the winter, you throw it in there, and it helps reduce some of that moldy, musty smell. Okay, number 4 on the list is a portable washing machine. Now you're thinking, oh, that sounds very big. Nope, not really. It's a very simple concept. It's a dry bag that has these little nubs in there. Throw your clothes in there, put a little bit of water, a little bit of soap, close it up, and just kind of scrub it. And within a couple minutes, you got clean clothes. Now, why are these great for an RVer? They're great for like somebody who boondocks or something and is on the road for a little while, doesn't want to stop at a laundromat, and just wants a clean pair of socks or something. Just give it a quick little wash, hang them out to dry. There you go. You got your clean clothes. Number 5 on the list, something I use all the time. Old pots and pans. Now, not just any pots and pans. These are removable handle pots and pans. These are great because space is a premium in RVs. By being able to take these handles off, if you don't have handles everywhere, you get a nice little neat stackable, like a Russian nesting egg feel to them. They come with protectors so they're not banging around when you're driving down the road. If you're wondering what's the quality on these, they're great. They're non-stick. Heck, I've even fried cheese in these things. And the handles hold up to 25 pounds. How's the handle work, you ask? You just gotta put it on, clip it there, and it's really stable. That is a whole pot of salmon and vodka sauce. There it is, number 5. Pots and pans. For number 6 and 7, we're gonna move outside the RV. Okay, so number 6 on my list, I'm gonna stick with the same theme of space is a premium, and then we're gonna talk about trash. People don't really like seeing trash bags all over the place just hanging randomly. So my next item on the list is this collapsible trash bin. It's got 2 little tabs, has 2 little tabs. It's got these 2 little tabs here that hold it together, and you unhook them and whammo, and it pops up. Then you can just kind of set it out. So then you just get your trash bag, put it in it, and you have a nice little trash bin. Before we get to that last item on the list, since we're in the gift giving mood, you want to give me a gift, hit that subscribe button. Really appreciate it. Finally, we're at number 7 on my list, and this is probably one of my favorite things to have outside the RV. As I said, it's very spaceship-like. It's a portable work light. You got this sturdy base, and the nice thing about this is it extends up to about 8.5 feet. box. It comes with a remote and it has several functions. You can put the light on warm light, or you can put it at a daylight where it's real bright, about 3,000 lumens. The battery is actually a decent battery. It'll last on its brightest setting like maybe 3 hours, and on the lowest setting it'll last up to 48 hours. The nice thing about this as well is you can plug it in and just use it continuously as it charges. As I say, it extends up to 8.5 feet tall and puts out a nice bright light around the campsite. So there it is. That's my list of 7 great gifts for the RVer in your life, all under $100. Hey, drop a comment below. Let me know what you think of these items. As always, I truly appreciate you taking the time to watch. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next one.